Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about modern outdoor kitchen ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. The modern outdoor kitchen is a blend of functionality and style, creating an al fresco culinary experience that extends the comforts of the indoors to the great outdoors. Here's how to design a sleek and sophisticated outdoor kitchen that caters to both the casual grill master and the gourmet chef. Modern outdoor kitchens embrace a minimalist aesthetic, focusing on functionality without sacrificing style. The use of stainless steel not only provides a contemporary look but also offers durability against the elements. Clean lines are achieved through built-in appliances and flat front cabinetry, creating a seamless and uncluttered space. The choice of materials in a modern outdoor kitchen is essential for both longevity and style. Concrete is favored for countertops due to its sturdiness and modern vibe, while stainless steel is a top pick for cabinets and appliances for its resistance to rust and ease of cleaning. Composite or hardwood decking can provide a warm contrast to the coolness of metal and stone, and they are designed to withstand heavy foot traffic in diverse weather conditions. The modern outdoor kitchen should create a sense of continuity with the indoor space. This can be achieved through similar color schemes, materials, or style elements. Large sliding or bifold doors can open up completely, removing barriers between the indoors and outdoors. This not only facilitates easy movement and socializing but also allows for a unified aesthetic that enhances the overall design of the home. Incorporating smart technology brings convenience and efficiency to the outdoor cooking experience. Wi-Fi-enabled grills allow for precise temperature control. Smart lighting systems can set the mood and are easily controlled from a smartphone or tablet, providing practicality and a futuristic touch to the outdoor kitchen. A well-thought-out layout is key to a functional outdoor kitchen. The arrangement should follow the classic work triangle between the grill, sink, and refrigerator, ensuring efficient movement during meal prep and cooking. An outdoor kitchen island can serve multiple purposes, providing extra prep space, casual seating, and additional storage. The seating area is where guests can relax and socialize. Modern outdoor furniture often features sleek designs and is made from materials that can endure the outdoor environment, such as powder-coated aluminum or all-weather wicker. Incorporating an outdoor rug and weather-resistant cushions can add comfort and a touch of homeliness to the dining and lounging areas. Proper lighting is crucial for both safety and creating the right atmosphere. Task lighting ensures visibility for cooking, while ambient lighting can enhance the overall experience of the space. LED strip lights under counters, solar path lights, and pendant lights above the dining area can all contribute to a well-lit and inviting outdoor kitchen. Landscaping should complement the modern design of the outdoor kitchen. Architectural plants like succulents or bamboo can add structure and interest, while herb gardens provide fresh ingredients for cooking. The use of planters and green walls can introduce greenery without taking up too much space, maintaining the clean lines of the modern design. To make the outdoor kitchen enjoyable throughout the seasons, incorporate elements that protect against the weather. A pergola with adjustable louvers can provide shade on sunny days and shelter from rain, while outdoor heaters can extend the usability of the space into cooler months. For regions with intense sun, a UV-resistant canopy can offer additional protection. A modern outdoor kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's a hub of social interaction and enjoyment. By combining sleek design, durable materials, smart technology, and thoughtful planning, you can create an outdoor space that is both stylish and practical. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, a modern outdoor kitchen can enhance your outdoor living experience and add value to your home. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modern outdoor kitchen ideas. Thank you.